used in reading books. Reading a book may seem like a simple task, but behind the scenes, mathematics plays a significant role in designing, printing, and even structuring the content. From page layout to font size, measurements, and sequencing, math helps create a seamless reading experience. Let's explore the role of math in books. Books use math in page layout and formatting. The dimensions of a book, margins, line spacing, and text alignment all rely on mathematical calculations. Publishers use ratios and proportions to ensure that text is evenly distributed across pages for easy readability. Font size and readability. Typography follows precise mathematical principles such as the golden ratio to enhance readability. The relationship between font size, line spacing, and page width ensures a comfortable reading experience without eye strain. Chapter and page numbering. Number sequences, such as even and odd numbering, ensure logical organization. In some cases, mathematical patterns are used to determine chapter divisions, such as Fibonacci sequences or symmetrical structuring. Bookbinding and printing. The number of pages in a book must be a multiple of 4 or 8 to align properly when folded and bound. Printers use mathematical calculations to determine the correct placement of pages in a book before it is printed and assembled. Story structure and patterns. Many stories follow mathematical patterns, such as the rule of 3, introduction, build-up, conclusion, or symmetrical plot structures. Poetry, too, often relies on mathematical rhythms and syllable counts, such as in haikus or sonnets. Mathematical principles applied. Ratios and proportions help in text formatting and page design for optimal readability. Even and odd numbering ensures proper pagination and organization in books. Symmetry and sequencing contribute to structured storytelling and chapter arrangement. From designing book layouts to ensuring proper printing and numbering, mathematics is deeply embedded in the reading experience, making books both aesthetically pleasing and functionally effective.